few weeks ago, one of the viewers of this channel asked me what are some examples of animations that can be created in Lovable using P5.js. So I took it upon myself to spend some time and some of my credits to build a comprehensive library of P5.js animations that can be created in Lovable. If you want to access that, the link will be down in the description below. We're not going to be talking about that a whole lot because I want to show you exactly how you can create these animations, where to get some ideas, and how to use this library. If you like what you're watching, please like this video, please subscribe. Otherwise, let's jump right in. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about and how you create these exact same animations. And here we are in the portfolio page. So I want to highlight that we have so far about 14 animations built and with some examples of them. So if you click on any of them, we're going to open a few of them so you can see what I'm talking about. And so this one is an interactive particle system, and you get the prompt and you get the code for that specific animation. So I'm going to go back and go to the next one. And this is a fractal tree. Again, you get the code and the prompt as well. And on. And you can change the shape with these right here. So let's go to the next one. I just want to open a few. And this is a terrain visualization using P5. So again, code and prompt. Next one is a maze generator. And as you can see, the system is generating the maze. So it can be used later. You can restart here. Morphing shapes. Every time you click, it changes the shape. Again, prompt and code down here. And the last one of the simple ones that I would show is the colorful waves. So you have a whole bunch of waves coming through. Perhaps all of these could be used in landing pages. As you scroll down, these ones might be a little bit more useful if you are actually building a SaaS application. So this is a highlight animation. You can reduce the speed of the animation. So it's a little bit slower, and you can change the text. On next one, you have a live data flow animation, which you can change the shape here and the number of nodes. This one does not have the code or the prompt, which I will be adding soon. This is one of the newest one. And this one, dynamic chart. Refresh the data. Again, this is actually the newest one that I was building this morning. So as you can see, still some work to do, but we're getting there. And this actually can be used in some dashboards. With that being said, I went to Gemini and I asked for some other ideas of what I could build. So I'm going to start adding them to Lovable. So I'm going to go back here and I will ask the system to build this new page. So let's see, where are we? I'm just trying to find the prompt so I can just copy and paste it rather than having to write it from scratch. Should be getting there. I ran into quite a few issues on that last one. So now create page. Which house to visualize completions. Um, make sure you add the prompt section. Okay. So I'm adding exactly what Gemini gave me, which was um, a fairly good description, and hopefully that will help Lovable to develop something that we can use. There will be a new widget added to the homepage and a page created, so we should be able to see it now in a few seconds. All right, and for that last one, we ran into an error, but I asked the system to redo the error and to fix the error, and now it has been solved. So as you can see, we have a drag and drop and able to connect. So this is similar to what you will find Zapier or Coda or perhaps Notion, what to say. So you can connect them to different ones, and you can add new ones, and they can be dragged and they can be connected. This is quite nice. Thing is, it has the animation of how the data is flowing. It's going back and forth. So the animation portion is just how the data is flowing one side to the other. But I think that's quite nice. So we will go back to Gemini, and we are going to add this one, and let's try this. Now add this page following the instructions provided before. So let's see how it does adding this page. We're going to go back to the index page. One thing that I broke was the preview, which I'm going to ask the system to fix it here in a few minutes. So hopefully we can get that good to go. So let's see what it would come up with. And while it's doing that, we're going to go to Gemini and pick one more. So customize avatar creation with animate expressions. All right, I think I like this one for the next one. Animated code editor, interactive mat. Actually, we're going to use this one. Let's see how things are going here. So we ran into an issue. All right, so let's see what we get. All right, so I like this onboarding. Okay. It's an interactive onboarding experience. Like it. Okay. So now we're going to ask to now do the same for this one. And let's see how it goes. I am really excited for some of these animations and see how people are using it. If you end up using any of these animations, please let me know down in the comments below. I would like to take a look at your app and what you have created. I know many people are using some of these animations that they are creating themselves. Since this is a fairly new product or a fairly new portfolio, I should say, I'm wondering what people are going to be using it for in the near future. Comment down below and subscribe. I don't ask for too much. All right, so it looks like he's moving forward and he's getting close. And just to give you an idea, what we're building now is an interactive map with interactive visualization with data overlays. Doesn't come up, and he's building it using Mapbox. Okay. So we will see what happens. I don't have a Mapbox key, so this might not be useful. Yeah. I will do that in a later video. Actually, let's see. Let's see what we can get done. Let me go on a different browser. All right, I got a key that I will be able to delete later on. It ran into an issue, so let's fix that issue. Hopefully we can get that done fast enough. Let's go to project settings. Where was the things here? And hopefully we can get this up and running fast. Yeah, I thought there was a way to add my keys here on the sidebar. Might be wrong. Might doing this wrong. Let's see. So let's still cannot see the map after adding my key because I cannot see the map. I want to figure out why. Fix it for me. So let's see what happens. All right. So now that it has been fixed, let me add again my token. All right. So we have the map added. And I'm going to be making a video later on how to do the whole map bus thing. But all right, so we're going to start the animation. All right, we have hotspot. And as you can see, it created an overlay of the map. If we stop the animation, stop moving. If we start the animation, we start again. Whatever the animation is, I use a distribution. So let's see the activity heat map. No activity. And population density. Okay. So perhaps there's no data. But I can see that it's actually working because when I look at the user distribution, it actually worked. So the animation. Let's open this on a new. It was working earlier. Perhaps there would be some more trial error that needs to happen, but start the animation, and as you can see, is there. Now for the other ones, I got no idea what happened. Perhaps there is going to have, there has to be some more on trial, but yeah, I don't see anything. And that's okay. We don't need to get it perfect for this video. I just know that I will continue working on it and you should be able to use it in your own project. And this brings us to the end of yet another video. Thank you for watching. I really hope that these animations help you build something truly amazing. Just remember that I will continue adding more animations as time goes on, and hopefully we can build something that we're all proud of to use, not only for my own projects, but for your projects as well. This is free. Feel free to remix or save the link so you can go back and revisit it. Again, the link will be down in the description below. Please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.